Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Tati, class PBAC. Student ada number 2404110082. The title: The Speaking Challenge Among English Club Members at one Islamic Boarding School in South Sumatra. Authors: Leni Marzulina, Muhammad Khalandia, Dian Erlina, Herizal, Hikmah Zalifa Putri, and Lia Hildayanti. Purpose of the study. The purpose of this study was investigate the speaking challenge faced by students participating in the English club at Darul Abrur Islamic Boarding School, Banyuasin, Sumatera Selatan, Indonesia. The study used a qualitative research design with a case study approach. This design was chosen to deeply explore the speaking difficulties experienced by students. Research collected detailed information about students' behavior, motivation, and opinions through direct observation and interviews. Then analyzed the data thematically to identify patterns of challenge. This research was conducted at the Darul Abrur Islamic Boarding School located in Banyuasin, South Sumatra, Indonesia. This Islamic boarding school was chosen because it is one of the few in the region that has implemented in English club as part of its extracurricular program. All students at this boarding school are required to use both English and Arabic in their daily communication, making it an ideal setting to investigate the speaking challenge faced by English language learners. The participants in this study were 6 students who were members of the Islamic boarding school's English club. They were selected from a total of 20 activity members. The 6 students were selected based on their length of time in the club. They had been members for more than 1 year, and less than 1 year. Data collection. Data were collected using two main techniques: observation and interviews. 1. Observation was conducted before interviewing students. Research visit the school and then observe speaking activities at the Darul Abrur English Club. This was conducted over 4 consecutive days to observe how students participate in the English club speaking activities and to identify any apparent speaking challenge. 1. Interviews. The research also used interviews to collect data. Interviews were particularly helpful in gathering more specific information. Interviews were particularly helpful in gathering more specific information. Semi-structured interviews were used because of their open-ended nature. They consisted of 19 open-ended questions to explore students' opinions, feelings, and expression in learning to speak English within the club. That's analysis. The research used thematic analysis following Creswell's 20 and 12 6 steps. First, the research collected and organized interview data such as transcripts and type notes. Second, the data was entered into a computer file. Third, the data was examined and then coded by the research How did this? By carefully examining the data and applying the steps of the coding process. The coders were then applied to the process of developing a description of the phenomena. The coders were organized into large dams. Finally, the research presented the data in the findings section in the tabular form. Major findings. The study found four major speaking challenges among English club members. 1. Lack of vocabulary. Students find it difficult to express ideas and construct sentences fluently. This is evident when teachers do not introduce them to much new vocabulary related to their current topic. 2. The use of mother tongue. Students tend to mix or switch to their native language due to comfort and habit. Lack of self-confidence, fear of making mistakes, and anxiety reduce students' willingness to speak. Lack of motivation. In this situation, students are less interested in participating in English club activities because they feel bored and reluctant to study. This is evident in students who fall asleep while the teacher is explaining the materials, are too lazy to attend class, and deliberately arrive late. A connection with relevant studies. These findings are relevant to the study conducted by Alda Yuliandasari and Wendy Kursiryandi 2018, which titles Students' Perception on English Club Extracurricular and English Practice at Madrasah. The research relevant that students perceive English Club as a beneficial program that helps them improve their speaking fluency, vocabulary mastery, motivation, and self-confidence. This aligns with the current study by Marsulina et al. 2024, which found that lack of motivation and self-confidence were among the major challenges faced by students in practice speaking at Darul Abrur Islamic Boarding School. Furthermore, these findings are in line with Yuliandasari and Kursyandi's conclusion that English Club provides a supportive and enjoyable environment for students to practice English without fear of making mistakes. But studies emphasize the significant role of English Club as a medium to enhance students' communicative competence, while Yuliandasari and Kursyandi highlighted its positive impact. Marsulina et al. Focus on identifying barriers that need to become overcome to achieve the same goal. Thus, together, these studies demonstrate that English clubs are essential for both improving and understanding the factors that influence students' speaking development. Sekian. I think that's enough. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.